Beautiful day, guys, boys and girls. First ride with the new tune. Let's go, baby. We gotta get some gas too. Some gas. How has everybody been? So what I've noticed so far, it's a little faster, or well, more responsive, if I want to say. Cause yeah, man, you can, like, before the tune, I could feel the space in a way when I'm like hitting on the throttle, you know. You can just feel the space where it's like not picking up and it kind of like gets up there finally. Alright, so let's go return some things to for Amazon that I bought. I was fixing up my PC, you know. I was fixing the I was getting an adapter for the USB 3 port. It was like the 18 pin or some shit like that, I forget. Y'all really let him go, bro? Oh my! I can feel it. Oh, wow. It kind of put me back a little bit. Alrighty, we back in business, girl. Oh, we're back in business, baby. Get some gas and we're off.
Football Island just surprise drops, bringing ESPN talent new challenges and busted. They're looking for a fiery, flaming hot pick or the airy perfection.
Let's sit and just chill. Red Rocky, moving Mad Aki. Let's test out our top speed, or like close to it. But I can feel it, man. It's pulling me back again. Like before, it wasn't pulling me back, but after the tune now, I can feel the whiplash, the G-force.
What's your name?
Ryan.
Ryan?
Ryan, R-H-I-N-E, like the rhinestone, Ryan, reverse. Good morning.
How you doing, sir? Just dropping off this package. Thank you, sir. Have a good one. What can I say from this tune so far? I like it. It's not laggy anymore. It's not, you know, it's responsive now, you know. It kind of feels like not stock per se, but like the feeling that stock got me when I first got it. You know what I'm saying? It's giving me that pull back again. It's giving me like my head is shaking so much from the speed that like the vision is vibrating, you know, like that type of shit. You know what I'm saying? A lot of homeless people nowadays, man. You know, oh my god, these diesel pops, bro. These are crazy. Come on, bro. Enjoying my ride, guys. I don't talk too much because when I'm riding I kind of just enjoy, you know. It's hard to talk. I don't know. That's why I give props to like those actual moto vloggers. I said moto vloggers. Moto vloggers. Bro, you just wasted a whole time for cars to go over, you freaking inconsiderate prick. The fucking thing is not even green for you, bro. God damn, you fucking old geezer. Everything is more linear now, you know. I can feel like everything is just more linear. I love it. Thanks you, VCYCLE. Thank you. And he shipped it back so quick too. fucking stupid here, bro. Oh my goodness gracious. Beautiful bike.